What's up? I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to do a mini tutorial on how to do short goddess locks. The hair that I use for this style will be included in my description box below. By the way, this was my first time doing this style, so let's see how it turns out. Please stay tuned. Okay, you all, so the hair that I'm using right now is the Freetress Deep Wave hair. I personally like to start off by doing individual braids all over my client's head. It just makes the process a little easier for me. And no, you do not have to braid all the way down if you don't want to. I try not to use a lot of the Freetress hair because it is synthetic hair and I don't really want my ends to be really full. I usually wrap to my right since I am right-handed, but this time I decided to wrap towards my left, and as you can see I am struggling a little bit, but anyway. You want to wrap the hair around the root multiple times to ensure that the lock is secure, especially at the root. You do not want it to unravel. Basically, you're just going to be pulling and wrapping the hair from the root to the end. It's very important to overlap the hair as well because you do not want any gaps. Gaps can lead to unraveling, so make sure you are overlapping and wrapping the hair very tight. I know you can't really tell in this clip, but once I get towards the end, I like to take the last few strands of hair and wrap it upward. Then I take my lighter to secure the ends. I do know people that use nail glue instead, and I've recently tried that method. I will upload that in a new tutorial pretty soon. Right here, I'm re-wrapping the lock. I felt like I didn't wrap it tight enough the first time, so I'm just taking extra hair and I'm just adding it on top of the lock I've already done. There is no correct way to do this. I know that you see me starting from the middle to the end and then going back up to the top, but please feel free to just start top to bottom. Do not feel like you have to do it exactly like this. If you ever end up in a situation where you're like, man, I messed up on my lock, let me take it down, or oh my god, my lock is too loose, do not take it down. Just take that extra hair, rewrap it. This method will save you tons and tons of time because realistically, who wants to take the lock all the way down when you really don't have to? When burning the lock with the lighter, you want to either take both of your hands or both of your fingers and just rub and secure the lock. I'm repeating the process from earlier, so I just wrap the hair multiple times around the root to secure it. As I move from the root to the end, I like to overlap, and I would do it tightly to prevent any gaps. I don't want any gaps. as you can see, I did get further along on my client's head, but things went downhill from here. I ran out of iCloud storage, and I know. Like, how did I let that happen? I tried to delete some pictures and videos, and I still didn't have enough storage. So I definitely owe you guys a full-blown video. I promise. I got you. Despite the technical difficulties, this hairstyle turned out to be bomb, if I do say so myself. Please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. Peace.